what a brilliant show it was tonight. So the public, for the first time ever, had to choose which lad should couple up with the girl. I did miss the first 15 minutes of it, so I didn't see the girls go in. But first, Demi walked in. Weren't really liking him by his intro. I thought he would be ideal for India, but the public chose Amber. Interesting match. Not a great first impression. I think Amber didn't really seem too keen on him. So that was the first couple. Liam was next into the villa. I think he will be a womanizer. I don't like his accent. The public ended up choosing Gemma for him to couple up with. They do look great together, so yeah, at the time, they are making a good couple. Next up was Ikenna. He's kissed 15 to 20 girls in one night. This will be interesting. He seems fun. I think he's going to be a bad boy if he's got a wandering eye. The public decided for him to couple up with India. And yeah, she didn't seem too impressed. So Andrew was next in the villa. I feel like he's going to be one of the good guys. The public decided for him to couple up with Tasha. And I think they will be brilliant together. As soon as he walked in, Tasha loved it. So yeah, fingers crossed. So Paige was the last girl left. And the lad that walked in would be the person she'd be coupled up with. And it was Luca. I think they would be great together. Really suits well. Love his tattoos. And the way Amber smiled, I think Amber is interested in him. Paige didn't seem too keen when asked by Whitmore. So that's going to be interesting to see how that plays out. Okay, so now it was time for them to get to know each other. Maybe not. They decided to go off in two groups. Gemma isn't too sure on Liam because it's not usually her type. They all went into the villa, the bedroom. Amber and Demi was playing rock, paper, scissors to pick which side of the bed they wanted. Ikenna and India. I'm not really liking India. Tasha and Andrew got chatting. And I'm shocked that Tasha's longest relationship is 5 months. She seems like a really nice girl. Paige and Luca seemed really good, but Luca has said he's also got his eye on Tasha and Gemma. Amber and Demi seemed to be getting on really well. And Gemma and Liam was talking and football came up. Loved that chat. I'm glad she's not mentioning her dad. I'm sure she will though in time. In the evening, before it got going, Tasha got everyone together to say about her implant she has to make her hair. Which is amazing for her to come out and say that. She didn't have to. Ikenna and his shoes, though, not that keen on them. But, oh my god, some of the questions that was being asked. I think Gemma and is into Luca. David entered the villa tonight from Italy. Gemma was loving it. Amber was loving it too. And so was Paige. Well, everyone loved him. Then the challenge happened. David had to strip tease. Ikenna had to kiss a finger. And then there was sex positions, best orgasm phase, toe sucking, lots more to look forward to if you haven't watched it yet. There is going to be a fight for David, or Davide. I think Liam is a good guy. Davide ended up getting a text to say that in 24 hours he will have to pick a girl to couple up with, and the lad single will be left vulnerable. And yeah, the show ended. Brilliant first show. Sex talk and games and dares and everything else. Drink. Really enjoyed it tonight.